Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to show you how to do some artwork for your podcast on Canva. Let's get into it. Go ahead and install Canva. Once you start the app up, you have to log in. Either you can create an account with your email or use Facebook. Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The app has templates that are included for free that you can use. You can then modify those templates with text, stock photos, graphics, videos, or your own personal photos or images. Canva also has a Pro feature, which is a paid service that you can remove the background from and other added effects. Canva Pro has a 14-day free trial followed by a $12.99 monthly reoccurring fee. However, the free options are more than enough to create an amazing design for your thumbnail on your podcast artwork. So for your podcast artwork, you want a 1x1 square, so either like a Instagram cover or an album cover works really well. Here I just chose an album cover that I thought looked neat and that we could start to design something. So using this as a template, you can change the words, the colors, basically anything you'd like. You have a lot of different options as far as text, font, size, orientation. It's really up to your imagination as to what you want to design. The controls are pretty intuitive. You just tap on the area that you want to adjust, and then you can manipulate that particular graphic. Pinch and squeeze it to resize it, the trash can to delete it. The bar at the bottom of the screen gives you different options, and you can scroll right and left to see all the different animations or changes you can make to the photograph. So there I was just highlighting various parts of the text, and then you can manipulate that text, whether you want to delete it, rearrange it, add it. You can change the colors. Here's several options for your colors. And then I'm going to go into different types of font, the font size, and the different styles that you can choose from. And then scrolling right and left brings up various options to pick from. And then once you swipe up, then you can bring up a different menu. This allows you to bring in different lines and shapes, graphics, photos, videos, and even audio. And then the different icons at the bottom of the screen also have different options. Here I selected my personal photographs that I can then import to Canva. And if I was paying for the upgrade to the Pro version, I could erase the background, make it a little bit easier on myself. And then here's just a screenshot of the actual price to upgrade to Canva Pro. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend it because you have plenty of other options to choose from. And then here's just a list of different effects you can apply to your image that you're working with. So after swiping up again, you can bring up this other menu. And then if you choose the three dots for more, you can interact with different apps and Canva together. So after playing with the templates for a while, I came across this image, and this is what I'm going to use for my podcast artwork. It's got a picture of me, and then it's pretty clean lettering as far as my name and the title of the podcast. So I think that looks pretty good. And then once you're ready to save, it's that square in the upper right-hand corner, and then you just save it as something, and then you're ready to go. Pretty quick and pretty easy. Hey, check out this other video right here. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.